Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see what are the most important things that we need to do after installing Linux on our computers. So first of all, we need to update our operating system. To do so, we need to check to see if we have internet connectivity. We use the ping command for this, and we can see that we are connected to internet. The command that we're going to use is sudo apt update. It's going to ask for the password. We enter it and we let it go. For you, it might take a little bit longer if you have old packages, but what this command does, this sudo apt update, is a Linux system administration command that updates the list of available packages and their versions in the system's package index. This command is made up of three parts: sudo, apt, and update. Sudo is short for super user do. This grants the user that we are logged in as root privileges. Apt is the package manager, and update tracks changes to each package when a new version is released. After our packages are updated, we need to upgrade all of the software that have been updated. So this second command has three parts also. Sudo apt upgrade is a command that downloads and installs updates for outdated packages and dependencies of the Linux system. Before running sudo apt upgrade, it is recommended to run sudo apt update to ensure the system has the latest information on available packages and their versions. This action is going to take some time, depending on the speed of your internet and the packages that your computer needs to update. Okay guys, as we can see, the update is over. As I said before, it will take some amount of time depending on the speed of your internet, the packages you are going to update, and the performance of the VM or the computer that you are running your Linux on. The next thing that we're going to do is installing apps that we need. To do this, we simply write sudo apt install and the name of the application that we want to use. In this case, I'm writing git. It again will ask for a password. I will enter it, yes, and it will install git on this computer. You can go ahead and install any application that you want. It's the same process. Sudo apt install name of the application. For example, this says that it's already installed on my computer, but any other application will simply do. So the last thing that we're going to do is install and configure SSH. We use SSH to connect and control our Kali Linux or any other Linux distribution for that matter through other terminals without connecting directly to the computer or VM itself. To do this, we run sudo apt install openssh server. openssh-server is the server that is usually installed on most of the systems by default. But here, as you can see, it's not installed, so we're going to install it. After it's being installed, we need to make it auto start on boot. So we're going to run the command sudo systemctl enable SSH. Then we need to start it. I can check the status. As you can see, it's enabled and active and running. Enable will make it reload automatically on the next reboot. That's it. Let's see if we can connect to it through a SSH client. So this is our IP address. 192.168.64.132. And right now we are going to try to connect to it through a SSH client. It's going to ask for the user, Kali user, password is, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. These steps will help you get the most out of your Kali Linux installation. You can also configure the environment, create a regular user account, configure a firewall, and so on based on your performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.